My name is Diane Guth, and I've had a really good experience with HomeWrights. They've guided us through this home build, and we love the product that we produced with them. We built a ranch. It's 2,852 square feet. We were coming from a multi-level and wanted to come into a ranch and not have the stairs and the ease of moving around.
And so tell me about the quality of the work from HomeWrights.
You can do anything from low end to the high end. It's your choice depending on what your budget is and what you want to do. They have great trades. We've been real happy with all our trades that we've used. Probably the biggest benefit being an individual is having the access to their toolbox, which allows you to look at all their trades and see who they have in their box, and you can call 5 plumbers and get bids from all 5 and pick the one that fits your needs and what you'd like. We chose HomeWrights because we could do things more custom from the get-go. We made all the decisions, and with the traditional home builders, there's limits, and we had no limits.
What would you say about somebody who's thinking about finding a contractor? What would you recommend if they want to do their own thing?
Call HomeWrights. They'll guide you, they'll help you as much as you need or as less as you need, and they're always behind you.
And so in terms of doing yourself contracting, what's that experience been like?
It has been a little challenging. It's a little more work than I had anticipated, but you learn, you meet all your trades, you're hands-on, and you get to know them, and it's been a good experience. I don't know if I'll do it anytime soon, but it has been a real eye-opening experience.
And you should be proud of this beautiful place.
Yes, very proud, very proud. Very excited to move in soon.